So this time we came to caravan and travel fair here in Helsinki, and the main reason we came here was that we were interviewed by Best Caravan. We'll put a link below so you can watch the interview. It's in Finnish, but maybe you can get a word or two from there. 2 years ago actually you couldn't see that much vans here on this fair. And
mainly travel trailers.
And now like I think half of the whole motorhomes are vans.
Yeah, or small RVs.
Yeah, so they are becoming more popular nowadays than they used to be. We tried to actually look for a 5.6 meter van that would fulfill our needs, because we have some special needs that we have to have. You have all these motorhomes to choose from, so everyone has their own picky thing that they want from the motorhome.
Does this look similar to you? This van is the same model than ours, but it's newer and it's this much longer.
Sky roof, tables, stoves. Also, huge ass fridge. We don't actually need this size fridge. This is too big because we cannot fit our wood stove here. That's the one thing that we want from our van.
I'm in bedroom now. This is huge one, so this is a really much longer car than our van. So you can take this middle section away. So you have two separate beds here if you prefer that way.
And we call it divorce bed.
Yeah, divorce bed, because you cannot snuggle with your partner. So who would want that?
Yeah, stupid thing is that cupboard is blocking the view from the back.
I understand they want to add the extra space there for the storage, but I don't like it because it's blocking the van life view, the famous one.
So, how do you like the windows?
Not a fan, but I really like these high glossy cupboards.
Yeah, I see. It seems that they are same sized as our.
Yeah, there's no ugly handles, so it's really slick.
But if you have a ugly or dirty hand, then it stays there.
Yeah, fingerprints all over the cabinets.
So we actually talked about that we want separate shower and toilet, and when it's small space you have to be creative. So toilet, shower, toilet. This is really cool feature. 2 thumbs up from Vantastic. So 90% of the vans sold in Finland has the same layout.
Yeah.
Different things inside.
But this works out very well, so I don't blame. Kitchen is huge in this van, so you have tons of like counter space here. I think maybe a little overkill because you don't need that much space. But if you do, here's plenty.
At least in Finland they don't use that often showers in motorhomes or caravans, but I think nowadays they are making more of those showers that you can actually use. So everything is plastic and you don't have to worry about getting the shower wet. In this van you can fit all the family and friends with you if you're not claustrophobic.
This van is a little more brown color, and this is called Special Roadstar. And this is really fancy one because the hallway is actually kind of big, and we have 2 doors here behind one door. Voila!
Separate shower.
You have own shower here. And that's not all. Ta-da! There's a shitter. We like this feature a lot, but we are not fan of this brown color, so this is not a van for us.
All the roof windows up there.
And you cannot fit too many solar panels in the roof if it's full of holes.
every time that we are looking at actually the new vans, we want to have place for the wood stove, and this is quite perfect. Table here ready. You have to just get rid of this cupboard, and that's it. You can install your own wood stove. Otherwise, we hate this van, but that's the option.
This travel trailer is actually really new one, but it has nice retro vibe. And I love the turquoise blue color, and I'm sure you can get this in pink too.
Little detail, there's actually a tent that you can raise. So the trailer itself is really small.
A real nice toilet. Don't you love all the details that they have put? It's like I'm 60s, I want to make an apple pie.
And new nails.
Yay!